Hey there, beautiful souls. I'm so excited to welcome you into my personal cooking space. This is where the magic happens, where simple ingredients transform into flavorful, nourishing meals. I hope you find inspiration and joy in every corner of this kitchen just as I do. Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm thrilled you're here. It's more than just a room. It's the heart of my home, filled with the aromas of spices and the warmth of shared meals. I've poured my heart and soul into creating a space that's both functional and inviting, a place where I can experiment with flavors and share my culinary creations with all of you. Today, we're diving into 10 high-protein Indian meals. We're going to explore a range of dishes that are not only packed with essential nutrients, but also incredibly delicious and satisfying. From hearty lentil stews to flavorful paneer curries, there's something for everyone to enjoy. You can make for under 100 rupees. Yes, you heard that right. We're proving that healthy eating doesn't have to break the bank. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can create wholesome, protein-rich meals without emptying your wallet. Eating healthy on a budget is easier than you think. It's all about making smart choices, utilizing affordable ingredients, and embracing the power of home cooking. We'll be sharing tips and tricks along the way to help you maximize your budget and nourish your body with delicious, wholesome foods. Grab your aprons. Let's get cooking and discover how affordable, protein-packed meals can be delicious and simple. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds, nourish your body, and inspire you to create healthy, affordable meals in your own kitchen. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to delicious, budget-friendly Indian cooking. First up, hearty chana masala with brown rice. Chickpeas are our star, affordable, protein-rich, and full of flavor. Sauté onions, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes, add spices, then chickpeas and water. Simmer until everything melts together. Serve with fluffy brown rice for a satisfying, wholesome meal. Looking for a delicious and nutritious way to start your day, or perhaps a light yet satisfying meal any time of day? Then look no further. We're diving into the world of moong dal chila, savory pancakes made from protein-rich moong dal. These golden discs of goodness are not only packed with flavor, but also offer a healthy dose of protein, making them an ideal choice for anyone looking to boost their nutritional intake. Moong dal, also known as yellow lentils, is a nutritional powerhouse, offering a great source of plant-based protein and essential amino acids. The first step is simple. Soak the moong dal in water for at least a couple of hours, or even better, overnight. This process softens the lentils, making them easier to grind and digest, unlocking their full potential of nutrients. Soaking also helps in reducing the cooking time later on. Once soaked, it's time to grind the moong dal into a smooth batter. Add a touch of aromatic ginger and a few green chilies for a delightful kick. These ingredients not only enhance the flavor profile, but also offer their own health benefits. Feel free to experiment with other spices like cumin or coriander for a unique twist. Heat up a griddle or a flat pan, and then cook spoonfuls of the batter until they turn golden and crisp on both sides. The edges should be beautifully lacy and the center perfectly cooked through. A little oil or ghee helps in achieving that perfect golden brown color and crispy texture. These savory pancakes are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed for any meal, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. They make a satisfying and wholesome option any time of the day. For an extra touch of freshness, top with a generous sprinkle of freshly chopped cilantro. The vibrant green adds a pop of color and a burst of flavor that complements the savory pancakes perfectly. Serve with a dollop of creamy yogurt or your favorite chutney for an extra layer of flavor and moisture. Mint coriander chutney, tamarind chutney, or even a simple tomato chutney work wonders. The beauty of moong dal chila lies in their versatility. You can customize them with various toppings and fillings to suit your taste preferences. They are incredibly filling, thanks to the high protein content of moong dal. And the best part? They are quick and easy to prepare, making them perfect for busy weekdays when you need a healthy and satisfying meal in a hurry. Once you try them, you'll realize how delicious and nutritious these pancakes are. You'll want to make them again and again. experimenting with different flavors and toppings each time. So go ahead and give this recipe a try. You won't be disappointed. Now, a classic comfort food, rajma, kidney bean curry, with roti. Soak kidney beans, then cook with sautéed onions, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, and spices. Simmer until thick and serve with warm roti and a side of yogurt. It's hearty, protein-packed, and budget-friendly, the ultimate North Indian comfort meal. Are you looking for a quick and healthy way to boost your protein intake? Let's whip up a protein-packed sprouted moong salad. This vibrant and flavorful salad is not only delicious, but also incredibly good for you. It's quick to prepare, wonderfully fresh, and incredibly energizing, making it the perfect choice for a light lunch or a revitalizing snack. To begin, we'll take our sprouted moong beans. These little powerhouses are packed with protein and essential nutrients. Now, let's add some crispness with freshly diced cucumber, followed by juicy ripe tomatoes, adding a burst of sweetness. Next, we'll incorporate finely diced onions for a bit of a zesty kick. And finally, some freshly chopped cilantro to bring in a refreshing herbaceous note. For the dressing, we'll start with a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice, followed by a drizzle of good quality olive oil. Season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground pepper to taste. Toss everything together gently to combine all the ingredients and create a simple yet flavorful dressing. The result is a salad that's wonderfully light, incredibly nutritious, and remarkably easy to digest, making it a great choice for those with sensitive stomachs. This sprouted moong salad is perfect as a quick and satisfying snack, or as a vibrant and healthy side dish to complement any meal. Start your day with egg burji and multigrain toast, a breakfast staple. Whisk eggs, cook with onions, tomatoes, chilies, and spices, then scramble. Serve with toasted multigrain bread for a filling, protein-rich meal. It's a delicious way to fuel your morning. Next, paneer burji with chapati, a vegetarian protein powerhouse. Crumble paneer sauté with onions, tomatoes, chilies, and spices. Cook until heated through and serve with warm chapatis. It's flavorful, satisfying, and perfect for any meal. Vegetarians, this one's for you. Soya chunks. Curry with rice is up next. Affordable, protein-rich, and delicious. Soak soya chunks, then cook with a spiced onion-tomato base. Add the chunks, simmer, and let the flavors blend. Serve with rice for a hearty, plant-based meal. Great for anyone looking to add more protein on a budget. Give classic masoor dal tadka a protein boost by serving it with quinoa. Cook red lentils with turmeric and salt, then top with a cumin mustard seed tempering. Serve over quinoa for a complete, nutritious meal. It's comforting, filling, and packed with all essential amino acids. Need something fast? Try chickpea and vegetable stir-fry. Stir-fry your favorite veggies, add chickpeas, and toss with soy sauce, garlic, and ginger. Cook until everything's hot and coated in flavor. Serve over brown rice or quinoa for a balanced meal. Quick, colorful, and protein-packed. For a light breakfast or snack, make dahi poha with peanuts. Rinse poha, mix with chopped veggies, yogurt, and roasted peanuts. Add salt, sugar, and garnish with coriander and sev for crunch. It's refreshing, balanced, and satisfying. Perfect for busy mornings or a midday bite. We did it. 10 high-protein Indian meals that are easy on your wallet. Eating healthy doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. Let me know your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and like for more recipes. Stay kind, stay nourished, and have a blessed day.